DirecTV Stream versus Spectrum, which is the best option for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll delve into a head-to-head comparison between two major streaming services, which is DirecTV Stream and Spectrum. And if you want to sign up to any of these platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know, DirecTV Stream, it is a streaming service that offers live TV from major broadcasts and popular cable networks without the need for a long-term commitment, in which it provides access to local and national channels, on-demand content, and the option for unlimited hours of cloud DVR recordings. And DirecTV Streams allows users to watch their favorite shows on any compatible device and offers various packages with different channel lineups. And the service includes features like unlimited cloud DVR storage space, live sports, breaking news, and must-see shows as they air. While on the other hand, Spectrum TV is a streaming service that allows users to watch live TV and on-demand content on various devices. The Spectrum TV app enables users to stream live TV, enjoy thousands of demand shows and movies, and cast content from their phone or tablet to a compatible TV with Chromecast. And users can create personalized guide by setting favorite channels, search for specific programs, and control their TV and DVR through application. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of DirecTV Stream and Spectrum. So let's start by knowing the channel lineup comparison of DirecTV Stream and Spectrum. And as you can see on this table, in terms of basic channels, DirecTV Stream offers various channel packages with different tiers and pricing options, while Spectrum provides a variety of basic cable channels including local networks, news, and entertainment channels. While in terms of sport channels, DirecTV Stream offers sport packages with access to ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, and many more, while Spectrum includes sports channels such as ESPN, NFL Network, NBA TV, and regional sports networks. Now in terms of international channels, DirecTV Stream offers international channel packages for additional cultural programming, while Spectrum provides international channels based on the package selection, including Spanish language channels and other international options. Now moving on to DVR feature comparison, you can see on this table that in terms of DVR service, both DirecTV and Spectrum include with subscription. Now in terms of storage capacity, DirecTV Stream varies typically 20 to 500 hours, while Spectrum varies typically 50 to 300 hours. And in terms of simultaneous recordings, DirecTV Stream offers multiple recordings possible, same as Spectrum. Now in terms of recording controls, DirecTV Stream has pause, rewind, fast forward, live TV, same as Spectrum as well. And aside from that, in terms of cloud DVR, both platforms also offer or available. Now in terms of viewing options, DirecTV Stream can record and watch on demand, same as on Spectrum. So in terms of compatibility, DirecTV offers streaming devices and smart TVs, while Spectrum offers cable boxes and devices. And now in terms of additional fees, DirecTV Stream does not offer additional fees, while Spectrum may apply for DVR service or equipment. Now moving on to pricing comparison of both platforms, in terms of basic package, DirecTV starts at $69.99 per month, while Spectrum starts at $44.99 per month. Now in terms of premium channels, DirecTV has additional costs for premium channels, while Spectrum may include premium channels in higher tier packages. Now in terms of DVR service, both DirecTV Stream and Spectrum include with subscription. Now in terms of installation fee, DirecTV may vary, typically ranges from $19.95 to $99.99, while Spectrum on the other hand offers installation fee may apply varies by location. And now in terms of additional fees, DirecTV offers taxes, supercharges, and regional sports fees may apply, while Spectrum offers also taxes, supercharges, and equipment fees may apply. And now moving on to customer satisfaction. In DirecTV Stream, it is a wide range of channels packages including sports, entertainment, and premium channels. And also DirecTV Stream access to on-demand content and popular streaming apps, and the ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously, with integration with AT&T services and bundling options. And some users may experience issues with streaming quality or buffering, but the availability may be limited based on the location and internet service provider options. While the customer satisfaction of Spectrum, it is extensive channel lineup with options for sports and news, entertainment, and many more. in which it offers high-speed internet options available for bundling, and it has reliable service in some areas with minimal outages. And Spectrum TV app allows streaming on various devices. Mixed customer service experiences reported, with some users citing long wait times or billing issues. But it has limited availability in certain regions, leading to dissatisfaction for those unable to access the service. Now moving on to bundling options comparison. In terms of TV services, DirecTV offers a streaming TV with access to various channel packages, while Spectrum offers cable TV with extensive channel lineup. And also in terms of internet services, DirecTV partnered with AT&T for internet bundles, while Spectrum offers high-speed internet for bundling. Now in terms of phone services, DirecTV may offer phone services through AT&T bundles, while Spectrum may offer landline for digital phone services. And aside from that, in terms of bundling discounts, DirecTV offers potential discount for bundling TV and internet, while Spectrum offers discount available for TV, internet, and phone bundles. Now in terms of contract options, DirecTV offers month-to-month contracts with no long-term commitment, while Spectrum typically requires contracts for bundled services. Now in terms of additional features, DirecTV offers integration with streaming apps and on-demand content, while Spectrum offers a Spectrum TV app for streaming on various devices. But the question is, who should choose DirecTV Stream? Well, DirecTV Stream could be a choice for people or households looking for a selection of channels, including sports, entertainment, and premium channels, all available through a streaming service. And this option is appealing to those who enjoy the convenience of streaming content on devices like phones, tablets, and smart TVs without having to deal with cable or satellite setups. Moreover, the connection with AT&T services and possible package deals might be beneficial for customers seeking an entertainment and communication solution. However, potential users should consider issues like varying streaming quality and limited availability in regions before deciding if DirecTV Streams fits their viewing preferences, budgets, constraints, and internet needs. But what about Spectrum? Who should choose Spectrum? Well, Spectrum could be an option for people or families looking for an inclusive cable TV service with a wide selection of channels. Those who value having access to sports, news, entertainment, and lifestyle channels might be interested in Spectrum. Moreover, Spectrum provides high-speed internet choices that can be combined with cable TV services, offering convenience and potential savings for customers wanting to simplify their communication and entertainment needs. However, prospective users should check the availability of Spectrum services in their area. Also take into account any customer service problems or billing issues before deciding. In general, Spectrum is a pick for individuals or households seeking a cable TV solution with reliable service and a diverse channel. And now in conclusion, or in summary, deciding between DirecTV Stream and Spectrum comes down to preferences, needs, and priorities. DirecTV Stream gives you a variety of channel packages on streaming platform, catering to those who value flexibility and convenience. On the other side, Spectrum offers a cable TV service with a wide range of channels perfect for customers looking for an all-encompassing entertainment solution. But both providers offer bundles with an internet and phone services, DVR options, and an on-demand content. And when choosing between them, factors like channels, pricing, contract terms, and service quality in your area should be taken into account. By evaluating their needs, customer can select the provider that best suits their preferences and budget. So that is just basically the comparison review between DirecTV, Stream, and Spectrum. Thank you.